Hello guys, so in our last video we have managed to link our CSS successfully. Saka, in this video we want to start to write normal CSS code, and let us remove this text and let us close these files and open this with live save again so that we can see the changes as we make them. So open with live saver like this. Okay, so I'm going to start by talking about what we call selectors before I go anyway. Saka selectors selectors, when you are styling with CSS kunoku akuchisina zvema tags kana kuti zvatati chimboita zvema angle brackets kana chii. Saka CSS ine syntax yayo. Kana tine handisi kana ndakambozvitaura before, but let me say this. Programming tine programming languages akasiyana siyana, and each and every programming language ine zvaino addressa in a certain way. Saka chinosiyanisa programming languages is what we call syntax. And so what is syntax? Syntax is the way inonyorwa nayo code, the structure and everything inonyorwa nayo code yedu. Saka kana ichiti syntax akasiyana ndozvinosiyanisa malanguage imwe neimwe inenge ine muitirwo wayo wainoitwa. Saka kunoku ku-HTML syntax yedu yange iri yokuti tine tags, each and every tag rinenge richipinda angle brackets, tine opening tag and closing tag opening tag zvakatosiyana closing tag ine /. That's the syntax HTML. So syntax CSS, what do we have? We have what we call a selector like this, right? And then we have open braces like this. We open my braces like this, and then cut imomomo no matinotanga kunyora values ma styles edu. For example, we have a style attribute. Can I call it? Okay, let me call it a property. We have a property like this, right? And then we have a semicolon like we did patailing patai styler to HTML. Then here we have value, property, right? So my properties are ndo vanenge vari vana font size, vari vana color, ndo tichanyatsoona. Kana akawanda properties ako unenge uchimanyora pazasi achienda like this, and ndo syntax CSS. Let's say you have another tag or irauri styler. You do the same, you just come here pazasi and then you put that selector yacho ne ma properties acho. And so what is a selector? Let's talk about a selector. A selector is that part linka the CSS or selector the CSS, the tag ratoda ku style here in HTML. And so the default way yekuisa ma selectors is by using a tag name. And for instance, header style zvimuno header style zviri kuno body ndo zvino style. Saka my tag name, for example, body, it's a selector when we go to CSS. H1 is a selector when we go to CSS. P for paragraph is a selector when we go to CSS. So ndruti kana ma tags edari ma select ndruti kauya. Let me clear this. Ndruti kauya panapa. Let me clear this also like this. Ndruti kauya panapa tikanyora kuti body. Kana tanyora kuti body like this, it means kuti ta select our body iri mu HTML matando linga CSS edu. And satikuta kuti zvese zvatiri kunyora muno mukati umu zvichange zvichi affect the body tag. Tikauya panapa panza tikaisa another property ndikuti truti tikati h1 uyu ari kundo affecta h1 wedu. Kana tina ma h1 akawanda, chese chinoitagira kuti h1 chiri ku affectwa nema styles achaisa muno mukati. Tikauya tikati p like this, zviri kureva kuti zvese zvatiri kunyora panapa zvichando affect our paragraph tag. Paragraph tags is chese chine paragraph tag chino affectwa nezvatinonyora pana C. Let us do these styles. Tiise styles tatakaisa paya patakambostyla tiri ku-HTML muone zvandikutaura. Paboard tatakaisa background color of black like this. So if we save, you see our background color yedu yato black. We can't see our text because our text is black also, saka inenge yafanana ne background. So iko zvinomurikona kuti tatonyora style yato style our board tag. So let us put the green color, the blue color yatakaisa pana h1. So h1 takuya takuti color tobva tatakaisa blue like this, you see. Then pana paragraph wedu tatakaisa color of what? Color of red. So if we save, you see we have a blue h1 and a red paragraph, you see. So this is how you put styles. Zvauri kuisa mukati muno hazvichisina mbonyanyambosiyana nezvataisa mukati mastyle kunani ku HTML kwedu, but now we have a clean HTML and we have our styles in a separate file. Yes, saka ndo zvakanyanya kukosha, ndo this is how you put styles uchimaisa uri ku CSS file. So mu next video medu tichatanga kudzidza each and every property zvichienderana kuti mu next video medu tirinyanya kufocusa on property ya font size. Tinoisa size sei tichinyanya kufocus on the value side yokuti tikati font size yedu values turikuisa values api. And so thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. More subscriber kana usati subscriber, and also invite others to learn with us. Thank you.